Milk does not come from feed alone. It does not come from machines. And it does not come from genetics by themselves. Milk is the final biological decision a cow makes after her body has balanced survival, immunity, reproduction, and stress. When milk production fails, the mistake was made long before the milk meter showed it. Welcome to Chapter 7 of the Seechur Agro Scientific Dairy Farming Series. Milk Production Systems, Lactation Biology, Yield Optimization, and Efficiency Control. Modern dairy science no longer treats milk yield as a mechanical output. Milk production is a whole animal biological system. Every kilogram of milk competes with maintenance, immunity, reproduction, and thermoregulation. The cow constantly reallocates nutrients based on hormonal priorities. When systems are aligned, milk flows. When systems conflict, milk declines, silently at first. The key lesson: you can't force milk. You must design the biology that allows milk. The mammary gland is not a storage tank. It is a living biochemical factory. Milk yield depends on the number of mammary epithelial cells, their metabolic activity, and how long they survive during lactation. Once these cells die, lost capacity cannot be rebuilt in the same lactation. This is why early lactation damage, inflammation, nutritional stress have permanent yield consequences. Milk synthesis begins in the blood. Glucose becomes lactose, and lactose controls milk volume. Amino acids become protein, defining milk value. Volatile fatty acids become milk fat, determining energy density. The mammary cell is a metabolic gatekeeper. When glucose is limiting, milk volume drops. When amino acids are limiting, protein falls. When rumen function collapses, fat crashes. Nutrition does not make milk. It enables these pathways to function. Lactation is hormonally orchestrated. Prolactin starts and sustains milk secretion. Growth hormone diverts nutrients toward the udder. Insulin regulates nutrient uptake. Oxytocin releases milk, but does not produce it. Stress blocks oxytocin. Negative energy balance disrupts insulin. Disease suppresses prolactin response. Hormonal failure often looks like feeding problems, but it is actually endocrine disruption. Every cow follows a lactation curve, but not all curves are profitable. High peaks with rapid decline stress the cow and shorten lifespan. Moderate peaks with strong persistency deliver more total milk. Persistency is built, not inherited alone. It depends on transition cow success, early lactation health, stable feeding, consistent milking. The best dairies manage curves. They don't chase peaks. Feeding more does not always mean producing more. Milk yield depends on intake capacity, rumen stability, protein balance, mineral sufficiency. Overfeeding energy creates disease. Underfeeding suppresses yield. Precision feeding is not about cost cutting. It is about metabolic alignment. Milk responds best when nutrition follows biology, not targets. Milk removal sends signals back to the udder. Incomplete or inconsistent milking activates feedback inhibition, telling the udder to slow production. Frequent, calm, complete milking maintains secretion pressure. Machines matter, but routines matter more. The cow must feel safe for oxytocin to work. Heat stress steals milk before you notice it. Feed intake drops. Blood flow shifts away from the udder. Hormones destabilize. milk synthesis slows. Cooling is not a comfort expense. It is a milk protection strategy. Water, air, shade and space are production tools. Milk quality tells the story of herd health. High somatic cell count means inflammation. Fat-protein imbalance means metabolic stress. Bacteria reflect hygiene failure. Quality is not separate from yield. It is yield under biological control. Sensors, analytics, and automation are changing milk production. We are moving from reaction, prediction experience, evidence averages, individuals. Precision dairy allows early correction before milk is lost. The future dairy is not bigger, it is biologically smarter. Milk is not extracted, it is permitted by biology. Farms that understand lactation physiology design systems that last. Farms that chase yield without biology burn cows out. This concludes Chapter 7, Milk Production Systems from the Seechur Agro Scientific Dairy Farming Series. Next, we move into Chapter 8, Feed Nutrition Systems and Ration Economics. Until then, design milk, don't chase it.